Hello friends, visitors, and fellow entrepreneurs. Lonnie here, and I am back with another awesome product review. Today, I will be giving you the rundown on AI Content Cache Creator. What is AI Content Cache Creator? This innovative system is based on super high quality, unique content that is really smoking hot, super simplicity to the packages, and a top-level marketing campaign to sell it. If you're unsure what white label rights are, then it basically means you own your product and can do whatever you like. Creating big online business products could never have been so simple, and yours is ready to start today to build an online income empire. Step 1: build it. Step 2: package it. Step 3: sell it. Dave and Dan are seriously going to put you at the top of the tree with your own products, ready to go in no time at all, using the power of AI. This is the most valuable product this year. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Check it out by clicking the link in the description and the crazy bonuses I've added. Here's the funnel if interested. FE $27. OTO1 ebook creation software tool, monthly. OTO 2 to 12 done for you product packages. OTO 3 ultimate reseller package membership sites network. Well, that's about it for this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for my next review. Until then, see you next time.